Hey everyone, dishwashing packets from Aldi. Looks like this, very small indeed. Works tremendously. This is the first time I'm trying them. Package a little bit small, yet so powerful. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Oxygen bleaching, grease cutting, rinse in. This is what the package is. Looks like. Zoom in a little bit there. That's the name. So this is, I don't know if you can see it, but this is after the wash in the dishwasher, and it's very clean and clear. No residue, nothing on the glass. So I did a spring cleaning. Wow, these glasses are crystal clean. All of them, crystal clean. This product is a good product. You should try it.